Hello friends, good afternoon everyone. I am fine. How are you? I hope you will be fine. Welcome back in my channel, Dr. Satyendra Kumar. Dear friends, if you want this type of videos relative to mathematics for higher level, then you need to subscribe, share and like my videos and my channel. Today we will discuss Cauchy theorem and its applications. Now, Cauchy integral theorem. Cauchy integral theorems. Now statement. If fz is an analytic, if fz is an analytic function and f dash z is continuous, at each point within and on a simple closed curve C, then integration over control C fz dz this is equal to 0. Proof. First we make a closed curve C surrounded the region R in anti-closed direction. Let R be the region bounded by the curve C. Therefore fz equal to uxy plus ivxy now integration over control C fz dz this is equal to integral over control C. Now value of fz u plus iv, therefore dz dx plus I dy. Now multiply both bracket. Now integration over C u dx minus v dy is the real part. Now imaginary part I v dx plus u dy. Since f dash z is continuous, then parallel derivatives del u upon del x, del u upon del y, del v upon del x, del v upon del y are also continuous. In R. Stop. Hence by Green theorem, hence by Green theorem integration over contour C p dx plus q dy, this equal to double integration del q upon del x minus del p upon del y dx dy. This is a statement of Green theorem where p and q are differentiable form. Then we can say the line integral convert into area integral. Now the position of integration over contour C fz dz equal to double integration. Now first part by Green theorem, del minus b upon del x minus del u upon del y dx dy plus I double integration del u upon del x minus del v upon del y dx dy. But fz is an analytic function, therefore it satisfies CR equations. Now CR's equations are del u upon del x is equal to del v upon del y and del u upon del y equal to minus del v upon del x. Then above equation convert into minus del v upon del x convert into del u upon del y, so del u upon del y minus del u upon del y as it dx dy plus I double integration del u del x as it minus del v upon del y equal to del u upon del x dx dy. This is equal to 0 plus I into 0, now equal to 0. Therefore integration over contour C fz dz is equal to 0. This is the complete of Cauchy integral theorem. Now we define simple closed curve and multiple curve. Note number first, a curve is called simple closed curve if it does not cross do not itself, so does not itself. A curve is called a simple closed curve if it does not cross itself. This is denoted by graph. This is the example of simply closed curve. Since this curve is not cross itself. Now multiple curve, that is number 2. A curve which crosses itself is called a multiple curve. It is denoted by Say this is the R1 region, this is the R2 region. Both regions are cut at a given point itself. Therefore, a curve which crosses itself one or two more points, the curve is called multiple curve. Now, next theorem, statement. If fz is analytic, in a region R, and P, Q are 2 points in capital R, then integration P to Q fz dz is independent of the path joining P and Q and lying entirely in R. In region R. Now prove. The proof of theorem explained with the help of the graph. Therefore, R is a region and P and Q are 2 points lying entirely region R. There are two paths. PQ reach to point Q, P A Q, or another path PBQ. Now explain this. Let PAQ and PBQ be any two paths joining points P and Q by Cauchy theorem. Integration P A B Q integration P A Q B P fz dz equal to 0. Now integration PAQ fz dz plus QBP fz dz is equal to 0 implies PAQ fz dz minus PBQ BQ, FZ DZ, this is equal to 0, hence integration PAQ FZ DZ, this is equal to integration PBQ FZ DZ. Therefore, given integration P to Q FZ DZ is independent of the path joining P and Q. Now, next theorem. Extension of Cauchy's theorem. Extension of Cauchy Cauchy's theorem to multi-connected region statement. If Fz is analytic, in the region R, between two simple closed curves C1 and C2, then integration over C1 Fz dz equal integration over C2 Fz dz. When integral along each curve is taken in anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction. Answer, that is proved. We can construct two region simple closed curve C1 and C2. Let this B, it is A, this is C2 simple curve, this is the center of the circle. There is a curve C1 in anti-clockwise direction. Now AB, now BA. This is C1. C1 is anti-clockwise and C2 is clockwise direction. Both are opposite. since by Cauchy theorem we can write integration f z dz is equal to 0, where the path of integration is along AB and curve C2, AB and curve C2 in clockwise direction and along BA and along C1 in anti-clockwise direction. In anti-clockwise direction. Now we can write integration over AB fz dz plus integration C2 fz dz plus integration BA fz dz plus integration over C1 fz dz. This equal to 0, implies integration A to AB fz dz plus integration over C2 fz dz. Now AB is a direction of clockwise, BA is a anti-clockwise. Now we reverse the integration direction, we get minus AB fz dz plus integration over C1 fz dz. This is equal to 0. Now first and third integration both are same but opposite in sign. Now both are cancelled. Therefore integration over C2 fz dz plus integration C1 fz dz equal to 0. Similarly, reversing the direction of the integral we get integration over contour C1 fz dz equal to integral over contour C2 fz dz. This is the solution for only two curves C1 and C2, but we can extend the region. Now therefore if a closed curve C contains non-intersecting closed curve C1 C2 C3 Cn, then by introducing cross cuts, it can be shown that it can be shown that we get integration over contour C fz dz equal to integration contour C1 fz dz plus integral over contour C2 fz dz plus over contour C3 fz dz plus up to dot dot over contour Cn fz dz. This is the complete of extension of Cauchy integral theorem to multi-connected region. Now, there are some problems based on Cauchy integral theorem. Problem number first. Evaluate integration of a contour C x square minus y square plus 2ixy dz, where C is contour C is the contour z modulus equal to 1, that is, it is the equation of circle. Therefore, solution. Now fz equal to x square minus y square plus 2ixy. This is equivalent to x plus iy whole square. This is equal to z square. Is analytic everywhere. Is analytic everywhere within and on z modulus is equal to 1. Now by Cauchy integral theorem, Cauchy integral theorem, integral over contour C fz dz will be 0. Now problem second. Evaluate integral over contour C 3z square plus 4z plus 1 dz, where C is the arc C is the arc of the cycloid equation of cycloid x equal to a into theta minus sin theta, comma y is equal to a into 1 minus cos theta. This is equation of cycloid in parametric form between points 0, 0 and 2 pi a, 0. Answer. Since fz equal 3z square plus 4z plus 1 is analytic everywhere, so that the integral is independent of the path of integration and depends only on the end points 0, 0 to 2 pi a, 0. That is 0 plus 0i to 2 pi a plus 0i. It is denoted by Z1. It is denoted by Z2. Therefore, integration over contour C 3z square plus 4z plus 1 dz, this equivalent to integral limit 0 to 2 pi a 3z square plus 4z plus 1 dz. Now z cube plus 2z square plus z in limit 0 to 2 pi a. Now we can calculate 2 pi a 4 pi square a square plus 4 pi a plus 1. This is the complete solution of the problem. Now next problem, problem number 3rd. Evaluate integration over contour C 2z square plus 5 dz upon z plus 2 whole cube z square plus 4, where C is the square, C is the square with vertices at 1 plus I, comma 2 plus I, comma 2 plus 2i, comma 1 plus 2i. Now again repeat the question. Find out the value of integration over contour C, where C is the square, both vertices are given 1 plus I, comma 2 plus I, comma 3 plus 2, 2 plus 2i, comma 1 plus 2i. Here fz equal to 2z square plus 5 upon z plus 2 whole cube z square plus 4. First, we determine singularities of the fz. Now for singularities are point of any function where function is not defined, or the value of the function is infinite. Here for singularity, the denominator of the function are vanished. Now z plus 2 whole cube z square plus 4 is equal to 0. Now z plus 2 whole cube equal to 0 and z square plus 4 is equal to 0. Now z is equal to minus 2 are a pole, are poles of order 3. The order 1 of any pole is said to be singularity, and higher order singularity are known as poles. Now second, z square plus 4 is equal to 0. Now z is equal to plus minus 2i are simple pole. Such pole of order 1 is said to be simple pole or singularity of the function. Since singularity do not lie inside the contour C, Hence, by Cauchy integral theorem, Cauchy integral theorem, by Cauchy integral theorem, integration over contour C fz, that is 2z square plus 5 upon z plus 2 whole cube z square plus 4 dz, this is equal to 0. We can the figure of the contour C, this is equal to 1, now 2, 3, origin x axis, y axis, or this is the real axis and imaginary axis. Now 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, A point, B point, position of A 1 plus I, position of B 2 plus I, this is the square C D point, position of C 2 plus 2I, position of D 1 plus 2I. Now A to B, B to C, C to D and D to A is a closed curve C. Therefore, given singularities of fz, z is equal to minus 2 of order and z is equal to plus minus 2i do not lie in the square or contour C. Therefore, fz is an analytic within and on contour C. Now, by Cauchy integral theorem, integration over contour C, fz dz equivalent to 0 always. Now, next problem. Problem 4. Evaluate integration over contour C 5z to the power 4 minus z cube plus 2 dz around number first unit circle z modulus is equal to 1, number second square with vertices 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. Number third, curve consisting of the parabola y equal to x square from 0, 0 to 1, 1 and y square is equal to x from point 1, 1 to 0, 0. Now prove fz, this is equal to 5 z to the power 4 minus z cube plus 2 is in form of polynomial in z, is analytic everywhere so that the integral is independent of the path of integration, path of integration. We know that every polynomial function always differentiable and every differentiable function always continuous. Now fz is analytic everywhere, therefore it is a polynomial in Z, so that the integral is independent of the path of integration. Now by Cauchy theorem, integral over contour C 5z to the power 4 minus z cube plus 2 dz equal to 0. The value of integral always in given three condition always 0. This is the complete solution. Okay.